In this video, we will show you how to change name on Zoom application. To change your name on Zoom, there is two methods. First, if you before joining a meeting, and the second, if you already on meeting. Okay, for the first, if you before joining a meeting, you can click this icon and then choose settings. After that, in here, you can select my account and you can click edit my profile. Okay, then you will redirect it into the web. You can just drag here so you can edit your name. Okay, this is your name. You can just click edit. For example, we type first name and last name like this, and when you click save here, your name will automatically change on your Zoom apps. Okay, you can see it's directly. Let's close this. And the second, how to change your name if you already in meeting. Okay, for this we can close this and we can back here, and for example we creating a meeting. Okay, we can just click start. If you already in meeting here, you can go to the settings by clicking more and choose settings. After that, you can click open all settings. Okay, actually this is the same with before. You can go to my account and you can click edit my profile. Then you will be redirected into the websites. Then you can change your name again, and your name on the Zoom will be changed automatically. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to change your name on Zoom. If any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.